Let's talk gutter vacuums and focus on side entry ports. I'll often get asked by a customer, I'll have a shop vacuum, it has a front entry port, will it be suitable? So Skyvac's dedicated gutter vacuum series, the Commercial 75, the Industrial 85 and the Interceptor have a dedicated side entry port. So that entry port will allow airflow under very high velocity to enter the vacuum carrying dirt and debris. The circular motion will reciprocate around that vacuum at very high air speeds, and through gravity allow that dirt and debris to drop to the bottom of the container. The vacuum cartridge filter element is protected by a deflector. So the deflector covers 2/3 of that cartridge element. As airflow comes in from that side entry port, it hits the deflector and continues in that circular motion, and that dirt and debris falls to the bottom of that container. Well, be wary in returning your head to your drum and get that deflector in the correct position for your side entry port entry on your Skyvac system. I'm going to give you a glimpse inside. We're going to suck up some shavings and you're going to see that circular motion and how high that airflow is in your Skyvac vacuum. Any more information, you can get us at skyvacaustralia.com.au. Check out some pricing on our sister site, onyxsystems.com.au. Appreciate you watching, stay safe. Inside a Skyvac Industrial 85, 8,000 litre, 3300 watt, 150 inches of water lift.